I thought I'd take a little stroll today and bring y'all along with me and show you what I'm doing here. I'm clearing out some new area. I got this area along the property line here pretty much cleared out. I got to move one little section of fence up there that's in the way, and thought I'd stroll around back here and see what's going on. I had to put my farmer's best friends on, my boots. Gotta have them things. And go back here and look at this bloody mess from the people that lived here all these years since 1799. Look at all this trash and crap embedded in this beautiful soil. Man, I've got my work cut out for me. There's broken clothes hangers in here and foam and a huge trash pile of bottles. Can't believe these people didn't just, I guess they didn't have recycling back then. There's bottles here, and they look a lot like beer and wine bottles. Geez, surprise, surprise. There's some old Coca-Cola bottles, look there. Might get lucky and find some. That burn pile here, that's got to go here pretty soon. I think what I'm going to do is, smart thing about that is add some more to it and see if I can make it do a little better. That don't look like you got very far back there, but there's a lot more bulldozer work that's got to be done. There's 20 acres back here, believe it or not, hiding all this garbage. I can't understand why anybody would take a beautiful place and trash it and just make it garbage. It's just a sin is what it is in my book. It's just a terrible sin to take beautiful soil and beautiful land and just destroy it with filth when there's a place for everything. Look at all that broken glass. That's incredible. I thought it was glitter. It's all glass. I'm gonna have to get a backhoe and dig all of that up and get all of that mess hauled out of there. Oh, here comes the deep part. Let's see if my boots have got any traction left. Yes, that one works. Pulled that boot halfway off. Put up here on the high ground. This is starting to thaw out. But I got all that trash over there. I got all those trees right there. They need to be pulled and put in a burn pile. I got a bunch of dead trees there, unfortunately. I'm going to cut those and knock them down, and whatever's good enough to burn, I'll save for firewood. All those cedar trees have got to go. They're all craggy and stuff, and half of them are half dead and diseased. I'll cut those up for fence posts. I got a lot of dead stuff in there, which is not good. It's a fire hazard waiting to happen. The birds seem to be having a fine time here. They're out here picking worms and bugs from where the bulldozer pushed all this up. I see a few big rocks and boulders there I'm going to have to dig up too. This is not cool, but it's got to be done. I need more ground to plant in. And this soil is good and rich. I took some soil samples and sent them off, and they come out pretty good. They're a little bit deficient in boron. A little bit more phosphorus is needed, but that's easy enough to add. I'm getting ready to buy me a little heavy-duty brush mower if I ever get my relief check, if that's what they want to call it, relief. I need some relief. I've been needing it for 12 years now, but haven't got it. And get some of this small stuff cut down. Then I'll be able to see the forest for the trees. And hopefully I can find somebody to help me, because I definitely need some help. I can't do all this by myself anymore. I've just gotten too old and I'm too broke up and crippled. But I had an intern lined up, I thought, and she backed out on me. So if you know anybody that's interested in a job where they can clear land and it be theirs, and they can grow what they want to do and help me out with what I want to do, and we'll take this 20 acres here, or 23 acres actually, and share it and work it, and can both benefit from it. And the intern can live here on site if they like. There's fresh creek water there. It comes out of spring. The water's ultra pure and drinkable just like it is. And we've got lots of good soil here. Lots of good sunlight. It's not very pretty right now, but it has potential. I have cleared and cleaned up stuff in worse shape than this and made really nice productive land out of it. Getting tongue-tied, I need to shut up. But everything else is on track. I'm still cleaning today and trying to get stuff organized and piled up behind the greenhouse over there out of my way for temporary. And then I've got all the other stuff I've got to put together. We're getting busy here now, so it takes me probably 8-9 hours to do 2 hours worth of work. So I have to sit down every few minutes and rest, and then catch my breath and then go back at it. But that's all I got. It's better than sitting in the house watching a stupid idiot TV or the internet, which is beginning to be worse. So I hope y'all have a good day, and don't let the troubles of the world bother you. Just keep on keeping on living, because that's the best part of it, because you only get one life. Unless, of course, you're saved and you're a Christian, then you know you'll never die. And you can keep on keeping on, because it's going to be awesome when we get to that side of the deal. And I can't wait to see all of my kin people and all of God's glory that's waiting for us. Because this right here is pretty ugly for this world. And I won't have to worry about seeing this over there. Have a good day. Love y'all. Bye.